In a bustling tropical forest, there lived a colorful parrot named Mia. Her feathers were a vibrant palette of emerald green, sapphire blue, and sun-kissed yellow, making her a sight to behold. One day, a group of researchers arrived, studying the forest's diverse wildlife, intrigued by Mia's ability to mimic human speech. They decided to observe her closely. Mia, curious and sociable, welcomed their presence. As she interacted with the researchers, she learned new words and phrases, charming everyone with her wit. During their time together, Mia overheard the researchers discussing the importance of conserving the forest. Inspired, she took it upon herself to spread the message using her newfound vocabulary. She eloquently spoke to the other animals, urging them to protect their home. Mia's words resonated deeply. Animals, birds, and even trees united to safeguard their forest. They formed a community, working together to preserve their habitat. Mia, the eloquent parrot, became their voice, reminding everyone of the significance of harmony between nature and humanity. Her story traveled far and wide, becoming a symbol of environmental awareness. Mia's legacy lived on, not just in the vibrant hues of her feathers, but also in the unity she inspired, teaching the world the power of communication and cooperation in preserving our precious ecosystems.